this is the creek, so we gotta look for the turn off.
Yeah.
So this is the creek. This is the main creek.
Actually, yeah.
This is the turn off here.
So you're actually gonna go straight into the Blue Lake. And
No sign.
the craziest things about one of the main attractions in Linden is that there is no sign anywhere stating that this is the Blue Lake. That's crazy. Lindoners, y'all gotta get yourself together. Come on. Yeah, we're going to ask you earlier if you ever went up in the hills them.
Well, we going today. I got my umbrella.
Or you could drive up.
Oh, we could? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I can show you.
This is my second visit, and the first one was like 8 years ago.
Oh,
So I really don't know what to expect here today.
yeah. I think was it the first time I come to Linden? First or second time? Probably first we went up in the hills in the afternoon. Holy shit, that was crazy. I got 2 miles. This one
All
was
right.
magnet. Could only do magnet because.
Lake is here,
Alright,
and that's wild that the entrance. You gotta go wrong. Oh no, right here.
no,
Okay.
spot Right here. Let me. Alright, so this is the Blue Lake, which I'm sure everybody who's on YouTube has seen already. But I've never shown you it, so we can show you today.
And did you ever leave Georgetown to have lunch at the Blue Lake?
It was the first time coming all the way from Georgetown to have a lunch at the side of the Blue Lake.
So we gotta find our spot.
You already
So-
got a decent amount of people out here.
Yeah.
You could drive all the way down. There's somebody jet skiing out there.
Yes, sir. I think this nothing beats this view. At least for having lunch on a Sunday afternoon. Got doggo. Doggo. All right, so we gotta find our spot.
Reverse in there, you can reverse in over there.
I am.
Depends on if we
let's
feel
see.
like being next to people or not.
I ain't trying to be. I'm really not trying to be.
Nice
Yeah.
Spot right up there.
I'm not trying to be next to too many people.
I don't know if we should be worried. They got a host of the vultures at the lake over there. I know there's bee somewhere back this side. They got like a crazy dump site.
I got no idea what's going on here, but we're gonna find out
When we
today.
down here, we can go around this road. Goes around to another section.
Yeah, no, but
Around here.
a fishing area, right? A very popular fishing
I
area.
don't know if it's
I heard.
fishing or
Yeah.
what. The problem with dry fit shorts
I know, not many places to clip your stuff, huh?
is that
Lunch.
And here we are, Blue Lake. And the unfortunate sight of being greeted with tons of garbage. Just garbage everywhere.
Definitely not advisable to bring food out here. You're gonna have a hard time. I can't enjoy this. I'll go inside.
We don't try standing up like me.
I can go inside. I can lock up and go inside. Heading somewhere, Mr. Andrew is taking us because I don't know where we're going from here. Hopefully, you don't get us lost. Huh?
So the road to an adventure.
The road to an adventure. Wing it.
Every road is an adventure.
Mm-hmm.
Except the one with all these flies, because
Oh boy.
what the man's get out loud in this vehicle.
Yeah, keep it
Any of
open.
them back windows is one monkey window this bus go.
All over to your Andrew.
We go up the way.
Main navigator.
You used to be able to go up here, but I don't know.
Yeah, we're not gonna try that one.
Nah, you clearly can't go there.
Alright, Blue Lake, it's been fun, but we got places to be. Oh, if we could get rid of all these, half of these flies.
Alright, so we're leaving the regular part of the Blue Lake where everybody usually comes. And we're going to go to another part of it that you don't really see much people posting online.
So I'm guessing left turn.
Yep. When you go up there, left.
Okay. Oh, I think you got
It's
some.
a good thing rain didn't fall today because
Yeah, I checked the weather. We good to go.
people going.
Choose your days wisely. Shouldn't have a problem.
Yep.
That was a lot of flies though, bro. Oh my god.
Well, you can see just now where all them coming from.
Oh.
Quick stop at a little
We're exploring, so you know, we just gotta see what's going on.
overhead view of the lake. Man peeing over there.
You're gonna take a walk, bro. You should leave it open for these. Nah, got too much stuff in it.
More might come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon.
this.
Let me show you the water, how clear it is on this side. On that other side we were at, you couldn't really see how clear it was because all the jet skis and splashing up mud and what's not. But look at this. It's like crystal clear. I still won't go swimming in it though. Problem is this little waves are washing up here, and this sneakers is not waterproof. The slightest amount of water
Go bare feet, bro.
gonna make me.
Pull up your jeans.
Not a bad idea. Just gotta walk back barefoot to the bus until the foots them dry again.
Yeah, knowing what this young man up to, you can get wet. With the waves, you actually
Yeah.
have to wait. And you stand a chance of sliding in there, right?
I know,
It's not gonna be loose, you'll probably go over there.
Seeing is a very steep fall off. All right, we going in. Well, slightly in, just to show you what it's like underwater. Hopefully, it's a very steep drop off, so I can't go too far. You want to put on him off?
Yeah. I mean, I could deal with it, no problem. Most of it I was planning to narrate in any case.
Put it on just to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
That's what we do with it, but then it's bad. The mouth don't fit in the case?
No sorry,
You sure?
I'm telling you.
We don't.
All right, where to? I think the closest bar.
First thing is to find
Or
somebody
shop.
to get a drink.
Yeah. Exactly. So this is we're running along the
Yeah.
Blue Lake
Yep.
when it goes in there.
That was the car one that carries straight out to the when we went grass truck, they got a video I do.
Uh-huh.
They up. They really get no kind of views though. Was it barely like 1,300 views?
I get 5K.
Okay, they're running down there.
Oh, you get 2K and I get 5. Well, I had a more active day.
You do more walking than me.
Oh, this is the one.
Yeah, gas station. Yeah. And then they got another one in
Yeah.
here too.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap up today. We had a good day. I'm having a cold Coke right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Out for now. Rose, say bye.
Peace out.